Summary. Section 10 of CGST Act Composition Levy. Overview. Composition scheme allows small taxpayers to pay tax at a fixed rate on turnover and avoid detailed compliance. Eligibility criteria or threshold limit. Aggregate turnover in the preceding financial year should not exceed 1.5 crore in normal states, 75 lakhs in special states. Special states Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Sikkim, Tripura, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh. Who can opt composition scheme? Traders, suppliers of goods, manufacturers other than notified goods, restaurant services, and not providing alcohol. Ineligible persons, registered persons making interstate outward supplies or making non-taxable supplies or making supplies as e-commerce operator. Manufacturer of notified goods, that is ice cream, pan masala, tobacco, aerated waters, fly ash bricks, fly ash aggregate, fly ash blocks, bricks of fossil meals or similar siliceous earths, building bricks, earthen or roofing tiles, or casual taxable persons or non-resident taxable persons. Applicable tax rates for traders 1% of turnover, for manufacturers 1% of turnover, for restaurants non-alcohol 5% of turnover, service providers under Section 10 subsection 2A 6% of turnover. Forms to file GST CMP 02 for opting in, GST ITC 3 for reversal of ITC, CMP 08 for quarterly returns, GSTR 4 for annual returns. Important points. This is optional scheme, that is, a taxable person has to decide on April of every financial year whether to opt this scheme or not. If not considered as a regular taxable person, no need to maintain purchase records or ITC records. Not required to collect GST and not eligible to avail ITC. Has to issue bill of supply instead of tax invoice. On every bill of supply and in place of business must show composition dealer not eligible to collect tax on outward supplies. Thank you.